camera, you can absolutely, you can see that how I blend it. Spread your bristle and apply the no wipe top coat right on the top. You see that it doesn't look smooth until you're adding your no wipe top coat. So what it does, purpose of it, between the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat, it will grab your base of your crystals, your charm, and your chains, and it sockets right in and stay until whenever you are going to say bye-bye to it. So we are going to floating it on the top, just floating. You don't want to pull it and get them all pull off from the condensed glue gel, because if you pull it really hard, you might pull all your condensed glue gels away. So just floating it on the top. Oh, hi Star, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in from YouTube. You are very welcome, Viva. I'm so glad you asked. Hey Shitel, how are you? Thank you so much, everyone. Happy Monday. How are everyone doing? Hope you have a fabulous weekend. And thank you so much for everyone. Congratulations to all of you are getting a really huge saving on Christmas in July special sales. So stay tuned for a lot of news for the shows and everything else. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you can always join me here when we are streaming, and also our talented brand ambassadors also sharing a lot of amazing cute tip and trick. So I did add the centerpiece, which is in the glow in the dark crystal kits. We still have some beautiful kits available, so waiting for you. And I'm gonna do is centerpiece first, and then I'll get the frame. So what you're gonna do is, the best way to do it, so when you're doing it, you place them really close and tight to each other. So it doesn't matter if you do frame or you do beads or you do crystal close together. Make sure you all place them really close together. Don't want to get them to separate apart. And when they place it tight and close together, they are connecting like a little chains, and will keep the crystal. I mean, they will support each other and they keep each other's like last so long. They're like, hey, we're having fun over here, we're not gonna go anywhere, until all of them will say bye-bye and doing a new one. So happy with this. We're going to Kiev for 60 seconds on this design. See how